Hello everybody. Today I will be talking about some of the permanent truth about our life. So before entering to the topic, please like this video, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press bell icon. So let's start now. There are permanent truths about us that we never see or remember. What are they? They are the truth that was identified thousands of years ago, and the test of time has stood. Here are 4 of them, and some ideas on how to use this knowledge. Permanent truth about selfishness. We are selfish when we sacrifice for others. That too is motivated by our own will. In those desires we have good feelings and want to see or make the world as we want it to be. Forget it, and we may become bitter for doing the right thing. To avoid the bitterness that comes with duty, we need to look at how to be a good person and do the right thing. We can also show interest in others when we want to correct their behavior. Tell a person he's wrong, and it's usually not enough to change his behavior. It's good to show him his true interest, that it's good for him to behave well. When dealing with others and yourself, do not forget the common and healthy interests. Permanent truths about mistakes. Salvador Dali said, "Don't be afraid of perfection. You will never reach it." You may see it as a negativity, but recognizing the truth is never a negative thing. We all make mistakes. The greatest man or woman alive, whoever he is, has done some stupid thing. It is not an attack on human greatness, but a belief that it does not depend entirely on action. Perfectionists certainly suffer for their demands, while others are reluctant to act out of fear of error. Acknowledge that it is normal to make mistakes, and ignore the possibility or reality of those mistakes. As Lao Tzu puts it, do your work, then step back, is the only way to peace. Permanent truth about learning. Our mistakes give us a chance to learn, and so stay away from even the biggest mistakes. Of course, we can also learn from our own success and the success of others. Why not look at the mistakes and successes, both ours and others? They are great opportunities. Take advantage of the opportunity to learn more and live better. The permanent truth about change. Maybe you've seen people learn nothing from their mistakes, haven't they? Don't you know about those who turn their lives around? The less important truth is that people often do not change. The most important truth to remember, and the most important of these enduring truths, we can change.